First of all, very good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes. What are you doing nowadays? I'm seeing your videos. I'm watching your videos daily. You are doing great, dear. Keep it up.
Thank you
I
so
will
much,
see.
ma'am. Your appreciation means a lot to me.
Don't call me ma'am. Say me Monica. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. No, you are a professor teacher, so respect should be there.
Yes, yes, yes. And what are you doing nowadays? What kind of videos you are
Nowadays,
doing, like grammar portion, like na regarding grammar structures? I have
yeah.
watched your video yesterday. I watched your videos, and I like also. I liked it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You like it. It means a lot to me. But sometimes it is very lot of confusion on the social media. What kind of content you should provide according to the other person, according to the viewers. Because everybody has different kind of genre, different kind of learning process. So you can't follow to other person. So that's why I choose the whiteboard and marker
Yes,
to
it
do
is.
something new.
Yeah, it is also good and appreciable because as a teacher and you being a teacher in future, you also try to doing any kind of job in a school. So this is
Yeah.
necessary to practicing on the blackboard writing. Now, this is also very nice
Yeah,
and good, and you are doing good, I would
yeah.
say.
But in today era, smart board is everywhere.
Yes.
People doesn't like that kind of board and marker. Smart board is everywhere. So somehow I wanted to connect with these kind of feelings because everything is technical in today era.
Yes, everything is on your fingertips. You don't need anything writing on your notebook because nowadays you can see
Yeah.
na, people becomes lazy for writing skill. Regarding writing skill, especially I
Yes.
would say because they
Yes.
have a lot of resources like ChatGPT, Google, and other resources also. So they use the applications like ChatGPT and they fulfill their desire, they fulfill their writing skills by the
Yes.
by
Yes.
those application, those kind of applications.
Yes.
So writing skills
Yes.
becomes lesser and lesser day by day. What would you say about it?
Yeah. Yeah, everybody wants to instant thing and everybody wants to be comfortable. Nobody wants to take the initiative to write something, to do something because lot of things on the social media you will search and you will get it easily. But when it's come to write something, to do your own, use your own mind, if you will go on the AI will give you everything. But I would say AI will not give you the human emotions.
Thoughts process is stuck day by day. If you
Yes,
are using this thing
yes,
like ChatGPT, you are using nowadays. Yeah, I understand. I also use this application, but on the other hand, I also practicing my writing skill. For example, I am giving one or two mix, 2 or 3 words like na something rash driving rampage anything else or like monotonous like these words, and you should make sentence on your own language. So in a state you you are helping you takes help from ChatGPT. So this is little bit not good. You have to use
yeah.
your brain, use your thoughts. Then when you are writing on your notebook, your thought process will be started whenever you write anything. So less I also takes him help, but sometime, rarely,
Yeah.
not every time.
You know, yeah, yeah. Ma'am, I have to take pause or on 1 minute.
Yes, yes, okay. So today we are discussing like rash driving, rampage, these kind of words in in our video, in our session, because a few days ago there there was occurred an accident. Okay, so
Hello,
what's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. I forgot your name.
ma'am. My name is Poonam.
Poonam. Okay, so Poonam, before starting this session, I want to tell you that there is a specific topic I have for you. So shall you go with that topic, or you have anything else?
Ma'am, I would plate in your court in your ball in your court. So, what would you like to say? I will agree with you.
Okay, so I have a topic which is very common nowadays, like na rash driving. You are aware of this word, rash driving? Like,
No, ma'am.
yeah, if I first of all, I am explaining you two or three line in a nutshell. What is the rash driving? Okay, so before I think on on the date of 3rd February in this month, 3rd February, there was an accident in Delhi NCR. You are aware of it? There is a very rash due to rash driving. Their only 17 years old boy was driving very very rash driving. I think very poor driving. He was
I heard.
driving at that
I
time,
heard that
and
news.
yeah, and he was crushed a 23-old boy by its car, by his car. So it is called a rash driving. It's a very high speed, approximately 120 or I think it is the above which is the high meter of his car. That's why because of his rash driving, 23rd-year-old boy had crushed under his car, and he died on the spot. So this is
Yeah.
called a rash driving, and it is a I think in my eyes it is accused, and he was accused, and he was jailed by the police, by the authority of the police of Delhi NCR, because na their
Yeah.
a mother had lost his son, lost his sorry, her
Yeah.
son. So this is a very grateful, or it is a very alas that we are Indians. We are Indians, and we cannot watch like this kind of scenario in our surroundings. He
Yeah.
was a good citizen. He was a good generation's citizen in our country, in our India, and he was crushed by an unwillingly, he was crushed by a accident, and he was died on the spot. So it is very crucial.
Yes.
It is very like now very
That.
crucial in my eyes. So this is the rash
Yeah.
driving meaning. So what would you say about that incident? It is viral on the Facebook, on the social media nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah. I would say if any person who is doing the race driving, just be carefully because you are harming to other person. A mother lost their son. Just imagine if you are on that on that same place. So how you will feel? Because on the spot you lost the life of other person. Not only other person, at that time you lost the hope of mother of their family because that he was a single child of her mother. Just imagine about her mother. She did a lot of sacrifice.
Right,
She
right.
raised her child. Okay, she raised her child. So it is not your rights. You can harm to anyone. If you are driving, just be careful about other person.
Because of only making the reels on the road. It
Yes,
is banned by the government, but government didn't take any action, any hard step against this scenario or this event, like na event, because government police, NCR, Delhi NCR government police is nothing to do. I don't know why this kind of people not accused by the police, not accused
I don't. Yes,
by the police, police force. It is very essential to hang on them and to sentenced of like a sentence of death, because a mother who had lost her son, and she was crying, she was crying bitterly, she was crying bitterly. I would say it is a very sadful thing for everyone, but we cannot do anything. People said
yeah,
that their people, they are both in the car, brother and sister. They were both in the car while shooting the reel, and yesterday I watched that scene on the Facebook, and I was very over blaming at that moment. What is this? What is the condition of our India? There is no safety rules
yes.
followed by anyone.
No, no one, and no one will save the follow the rule, and as well as our Indian and our police, they will not take the action. They are not taking the action. People are doing lot of criticism. People are doing lot of things. They are doing bad behaving to other person. But our Indian and our police administration, they are not taking the action. So as a human being, we should raise our voice to
Right,
give them
you
punishment.
said rightly. But if I talk about government or police, government police of Delhi NCR, it totally police neglect this actually this case, because this it becomes a police case right now. Okay, so police
Ma'am,
also
I will
ignored
interrupt
this.
one thing.
Yes.
I will interrupt one thing. Police are not taking the action. Maybe they are rich people.
Yes, right. You
Maybe
said
they are
rightly. Yeah.
okay.
Because
Maybe
of
they
their
have lot of
top,
money.
yeah, because of their richness. And that boy
And
who was only 17 years old, he had no licensed car, or whatever is there, Scorpio, is running behind of the because of making a only shooting a reel. So
yes,
he also told to the police that if he wear the helmet, he would not be die at the on the spot. He would not be die. But
because
yeah, but you do
because
not
he
have
want to
any
protect
etiquettes.
himself.
Yes, yes.
He want to protect himself. He want to blame to that person who was riding the bike. He will not take. He will not give to the family to surrender. Okay, he will not surrender to himself. But as a human being, as a senior citizen, we should raise the voice for these kind of things. But if you will not take the action, you will not raise your voice. So these things will happen day by day, and these things will increase.
It's increasing day by day, because we
Yeah,
can see around our city, our state, every single day there occurred any kind of rash driving. Because of rash driving, he or she die on the spot. Every day newspaper is
yeah.
filled with this kind of news daily. I
Just I would
read the
say
newspaper.
I I would say just use your sense of mind. You are watching reel, you are making reel to your entertainment, but you lost other person life
It
for a
is not,
long time. You
yeah.
lost other person life totally.
Yes,
You just finish other person life in a second.
but people
Just
cannot think
imagine.
now, because they have no their sense of humor. They have no mind at all. They are amusing. They are amusing,
Yes.
because of their amusement. People, people actually want to. want to get chance to harm to others, their lives, by playing others
Yes.
lives also. Okay, playing others lives also,
Yes.
because life is not important for them. Only reels, making reels are very important on the
Very
other hand.
important. Yes.
So it is not
To
good.
take them fun.
I think
It
police,
is not good, and yes, police should take the strong action on that things.
so many videos are there on the social media, but there are actually mother who has lost his her son. She was crying very, very bitterly and sobbing a lot. I cannot express my words towards
Yeah.
what is the condition of his of his mother actually.
Of
I
your
I
mother.
cannot
Right.
explain you. Yeah.
And no one will give him child again.
Yes, definitely. But people cannot
Yeah.
understand any people cannot understand others' feelings. They other emotions.
Yeah.
They are only amusing by making this kind of activities, this kind of shameful activities, I would say, and the that those kind of people will be punished by the police very bitterly. I think this is my opinion to the. So this is the
Yes.
purpose
I
of this
would say I would say being a human being, you should understand the other person pain. If you don't have kindness, if you don't have respect to other person, so this is no sense of to be human being. You are human being, but you are not treating to other person like a human being. People are
right.
involving to watching the reels to make their entertainment. You are making your entertainment, but as well as you lost other person life in a second. Just imagine.
But it is not any we can say ना कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता लोगों को. We can say in हिंदी,
Yes, people
कोई फर्क
doesn't
नहीं
care.
पड़ता लोगों की जान जाए या
Yes,
लोग उसके घर वाले क्या उसके ऊपर बीत रही है, कोई भी नहीं समझ सकता, बिकॉज वो ही जानते हैं कि उन्होंने अपना बेटा खो दिया है. He has lost his son.
yes. I would say because of the social media, people are so much immersed in the social media. They have lost their mindset. They have lost their sense of mind, how they can use their mind in better things, how they can use their mind to protect other person.
Okay, तो
Social media
Poonam,
is too
do
much
you think?
hyper on
Yes, yes.
the people.
Yeah, please continue. Yes.
I would say social media is too much hyper on the other things, on the human mentality.
Yes, yes. Because now only educated person are roaming here and there for the employment, but uh, they don't have a good profession or good job, because reels, making the reels, it's become a profession. The educated people are behind of duty of the making the reels. People like a 12
Yes,
years old boy and girl are started to making reels. A lot of reels are there, and they are earning money. This is the source of income also.
yeah,
I can't believe that education
yes.
has no values, no moral values.
No value.
Education are lost day
Yes.
by day totally in our Indians, I would
And
say.
you can see nowadays, you and me, there are many educated person, they are making the reels on the education. Okay, like vocabulary, many things. You and me, like, many people are making the reels, providing the content to teaching other person. You will not get the views on your video. Instead of, you will get the views on nonsense things. And
Nonsense
people
things.
are earning good.
Right,
People
right.
are earning good from that videos. They have lack of views, they have lack of subscribers. That means it could be anything.
Like
People
it
want
means these
people
kind
want
of nonsense.
entertainment.
Yeah, these kind of nonsense
Yeah,
things
people.
people and young generation also. What happens with the young generation? I don't know. I can't believe that education walk out from their life totally and only making the
Yes,
reels.
yes,
Nonsense kind of like a topics you can create different
yes,
kind of reels, and their views and million kinds of views you can see now on the social media.
yes,
Only nonsense is there, nothing than that. No any kind kind of
Yes.
values, no any kind of moral things,
No.
no any kind of
No.
traditional things. They are only
No.
only they are actually होड़, जैसे होड़ मच जाती है ना कि हमें भी बनाना है, हमें भी उल्टा
Yes.
चीज
Yes.
करके अर्निंग करना है, तो दिस इज ओनली सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, बाई हुक और बाई
Yes.
क्रूक. they people are destroyed, they are destroying their life, they are destroying their future also. But on the other hand, if I talk about professionally educational videos, profession videos, they they have less likes, less subscribers, less actually they are hardworking. They are working hard
Yes.
also. They are very diligent and hardworking, I would say. But people nowadays people cannot with them like professionals. They are only like to watch like na amusing reels and nonsense reels. That's all. That is the motto, that is the goals behind of this kind of dirty kind of videos. We cannot tolerate this kind of videos at all.
Yes. Seriously, I totally agree with you. You said very well. If you will make the traditional reel, if you will make the moral reel, people will not follow you. People will follow those reel. There is no sense of that reel. There is no meaning of that reel, and you will see the lack views. And video will viral in a second.
I don't know what the coming generation has have done with them. They
Yes,
are they are
yes.
totally lost their mind, and they are totally lost their thinking
And
power. What are they
everybody
doing?
want everybody want entertainment.
Yes.
Nobody will give the respect to the education. Every time they need entertainment. If you are making entertainment, so people will follow you. If you will teach something, if you will give the meaningful things to other person, and people will not follow you. It is happening today era.
And they are actually starting jealous to each other to show their other
Yeah,
success. They are jealousing, they are getting jealous. I don't know. आप मैं कर रही हूँ, अपने लिए कर रही हूँ, आप अपने लिए कर रहे हो, और हम अपने हाथों से, अपने पैरों से, अपनी आंखों से मेहनत कर रहे हैं. We are diligent
that
person,
means
huh?
we
So why are you jealousing, getting jealous to show
and
my
as well
success?
as yeah, as well as we are putting our effort. We are putting our
Yes.
effort,
Or
hard work,
I would say
energy.
homemakers, especially homemakers, are working a lot in their household chores also. After that, whenever they get time in a daytime, afternoon time, evening time, they are doing great. They are working hard. They are people, very diligent people, and you are not appreciate, at least not criticized them. This is my opinion.
Yes,
Not criticized them.
I'm totally agree with you. If you will not appreciate, don't do that, but don't criticize.
Yes, you are not getting efforts, and what is this? You are criticized by the comments, by the nonsense comments are there, and on that video. This is only a professional work. This is a educational work. So you cannot dare to criticize to anybody else. Who are you in front of
Yes,
me? Because I am a we are professionals. We are professionals, but other people only scrolling the reels 2 or 3 hours in a day. They are no any kind of work, only beside criticized others, I would say.
yes. Because they they make their mind because they don't have other work rather than criticize. Blaming to others, it is
Yes,
easy. It is easy. You will criticize to others, it is easy. But you should have courage when you appreciate to other person. You will have to open your heart to appreciate to other person. Okay, just use their mind.
yes.
You able to criticize other person easily. Just you did not imagine how much effort, energy put that other person to
Definitely.
making their content, to making their reels.
Yes. Because every video, every single 15 minutes shorts are also very valuable for a person, for a professional teacher.
Yes,
I would
yes,
say, because
yes,
we are we are spending a lot of time in a daytime. We are I know that we have to upload every single day one video. I have to upload on my fixed
One
time.
video.
Okay, so I am
Yes,
trying the
yes,
best for uploading the video. I'm sparing of
yes,
my
yes.
time from my kids, from my household chores. We are trying to gather a lot of time because we have
Lot of time, and you
time.
will have to, yes, and we will have to set the time, because when you will get the time to make yourself, so you will utilize your time to make yourself productive. It everyone will do, every housewife will do, because they will not extra time. Whatever they have time, they will keep that time and they try to make their day productive.
Right, right, dear, right. Because, but nowadays people are very careless and criticize to each other. They cannot see the success of others. They always become. But Poonam, on the other hand, let's move on the next topic. Okay, so in
Okay.
your opinion, I have one question that what is your opinion? So please let me know. Do you think that strict traffic rules can reduce rash driving? Why or why not? I repeat my question. Do
Okay.
you think do you think strict traffic rules can reduce rash driving? Tell me
Yes.
the views.
If you will, okay, I would say our police administration, our government take the action, because if any person who is doing the rash driving, just take action. You will have to set the boundary for those people who do the rash driving. They are doing the right driving for themselves, but they are not aware your rash driving can harm to other person.
Which kind of rules we have to government should made? Tell me something
Okay,
about this
so
finishing this
I
rash
would
driving.
say, okay,
Yes.
I would say, if any person do the rash driving, so government punish them, and as well as government penalty on them should
Yes.
take the penalty on them. If you will do the rash driving, so you will have to pay something. You will have if they will pay amount of money for their mistakes, so they
This
will
is
aware
not a
for that.
mistake, dear. This is a blunder in my
Yes,
eyes. This is not a mistake. Mistake we can say, na,
yes,
small mistakes we can say. But
yes, yes.
due to rash driving, there one person has lost his life, has lost
Lost
one
his
person,
life.
a woman had
One person,
lost her son. This is not a mistake.
her
This is a
son.
blunder.
Yes, blunder. This is a blunder. Yes. So our government took take strong reason on that things, because if any person do the rash driving, just make legal for them, and as well as give them punishment.
Like, yes, definitely. Uh, so that our coming generation will be safe in future, because even a
Yes,
single child, I would like to say that the child also nowadays mothers are also afraid to take their child outside without their husbands,
yes,
actually. I would say,
yes,
I
yes,
actually, yeah, I'm telling you that 1 week ago, I was going there. I was going with my son. My son is only 6 years old right now. I am going, and there is beside like a bike, a biker went from passing from me very hard, very high speed. And I am little bit
mhm.
afraid on that moment. What is this? What is the this is the style, this is the style of coming generation and teenagers. They are not literally, they are not afraid, they have no any kind of fear. What is this? Yeah, I literally afraid of
Same thing.
that kind of people.
Likewise, likewise, I face same thing. Okay,
I didn't go
so I would
anywhere
say,
without my husband.
yeah,
I can't go
because
anywhere.
of the fear. Yeah,
Yes.
I also feel the same thing. Before 2 and 3 days, I picked up my daughter from a school. So I was coming on my foot on the road. Okay, and one of the boy he was come across of mine, and he was driving so high, so high. So I hold my daughter hand and I just cover myself, and as well as I protect my daughter from that boy because he was riding so fast. So just imagine they are not aware, and I would say parents should be aware. If you are giving the bike on your child hand,
We have to
tell them
prepare. We have
don't
to
drive
prepare
fast.
mentally.
Yes,
Yeah, mentally. We have to prepare
yes,
mentally and
yes,
totally thinking that there is nobody else comes to help you. You should protect
to
yourself
help
on
you
your own. There is
protect
nobody is
yourself.
here. Nobody is there on the spot. Nobody is there.
Yes.
Instead protecting you, instead save your life. People are making like shoot the video in your mobiles on the spot. I
Mm.
can see
But
on that
ma'am, I
video.
would, yeah, I would mention one thing. If that girl and boy, they are doing rash driving, okay, their parents should be aware. You are going outside of the house, don't do rash driving. Because of the rash driving, you can harm to other person. So there behind family also responsible because you are giving the bike and car to your kids, but you will have to aware for that they are capable to drive the bike and car if you
Or
are
not.
giving to your kids.
Yes, yes, yes. So, Poonam, this is only there are 5 minutes for wrap up the session. So I have to give you a second question, like a third. This is my next question. How can schools create awareness about safety rules, about road safety? How can a school create awareness?
Okay, so I would say
Only in you have
school.
to write the, you have to tell me only nutshell. Only 5 minutes are left. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay, so ma'am, I would say our school will, you know, there are many convents in today era. Okay, so every school provide the facility to students. They can go by cab, they can go by bike, but I would say school are not responsible. In my opinion, I don't know, I don't have the exact meaning, I don't have the exact answer about it, but I would say school make their own boundaries because if students are playing outside of the house, outside of the school, so school make their protection for the student.
Yeah, yeah. Production, and it we can say also school can train the children. For example, we have to follow the safety rules. We have to follow the traffic lights. Green light says us
Yeah, yeah,
go, and red light says as
yes.
a stop, like this kind of small
Okay, that means they
indications.
can aware,
Yeah, school
they
school
can aware to
administration
students.
can aware us, and we have to wear helmet whenever go we are going outside with anybody. So these kind of small rules school can aware the children so that they can follow this kind of rules. So
Yes, ma'am, I
I am
totally
very
agree with it.
happy, and you are attending this session, and thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this session a lot.
Yes, ma'am, I would say this session is fruitful and you make my day. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
You also make my
Ma'am,
day
I
because
would
this
like to say
morning I
one thing.
haven't to take any session because I felt a
Okay,
little under the weather today, so that's why I feel lethargic. Literally.
okay. So, ma'am, I want to say one thing. Will you share this video with me?
Yes, yes,
Actually, I will
definitely.
also want to
Yeah,
upload this
I'll
video on my
share you
channel.
after uploading. I will give you. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
have a nice day, great day, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Take care.
Likewise. Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.